Hello Joe and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website. So I'm going to be covering the website, the front page, content, the Google Business Profile and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see here that you have the click to call button and you have a link to your social media accounts. You have very nice pictures throughout your website, and you have the quick contact, the contact us form over here. You have been working with Angie's, and then the different methods to reach out to you. So there are a couple of things that you could do. So you could have the contact us form at the top and include and throw in more content. So everything that you have in here is considered content, even the pictures. So let's have a look at how are the pictures saved. So if I have a look, yeah, they are correctly saved. So they are signaling to Google one of the relevant keywords. But in terms of the amount of content, so right now it is sitting around 268 words, and to be optimized for Google, the ideal spot is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And if you have that amount of content, then you're going to be able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So Quick Screen in Miami. These guys have 692 words, and Alumni Center Inc. These guys have 550 words in their front page. So definitely an opportunity for you to explore is to include more and more relevant content. Now, I came here to the Google search and I type in one of those buyer intent keywords, which is Screen Enclosure Miami. The first section that we see is the Google Ads, and this section is really good at driving traffic and to actually generate leads quickly. The second section is the Google Maps, and this section here drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. And the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And the next section is what we call the Google Organic Search. In here, to rank at the top. Actually, it's very important because this section, so the Google Maps drives 30 to 40% of the traffic, then you have another 60% of the traffic through the Google Organic Search. So to rank here at the top, you need something that we call backlinks, and we analyze that with a tool that we with Ahrefs. That's a tool that we have, and in here I can see that your website has 42 external websites that are directing or pointing towards your website through 312 backlinks or links. If I look at your competitors, these guys have 27 referring domains with 187 backlinks, and Alumni Center, these guys have 6 referring domains. Well, this is a landing page only for pull enclosures, but they have 6 referring domains in 9 and directing traffic towards 9 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile. Just make sure that it's not only about the quantity, but also about the quality, and just making sure that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that you can signal to Google that your website and your company is an authority in the services that it provides. And just bear in mind that this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant results according to the search that people or users are performing. And another important point that I wanted to mention here is that you have more backlinks. So it's important not only to review the backlinks, but to review the content as well, because it might be that you might not be necessarily ranking for all of the relevant keywords. Let's have a look at the content. Your website is being found for 59 organic keywords, and in here I can see what those keywords are, and the volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position here shows me in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So you're actually ranking in the first, the second, and the fourth position for quite a number of keywords. So very well done there. Let's have a look at one of your competitors, so Quick Screen Miami, Florida. These guys are being found for 225 keywords, and they are also in the top positions. And I can see here that they are ranking in the first position for screen enclosure Miami, and the search volume is 50. And because of that, because they are ranking on the top position, they were able to drive 16 visits. So if I actually have a look at your website, I can see that these guys are ranking. So screen patio Miami, search volume is 40, patio screen Miami 30, patio enclosures Miami 40. So they are ranking mainly for Miami, for the Miami area, and the search volumes are around 30, 40, 50 searches per month, and you are ranking in the top positions for South Florida, which is a little bit broad, and then yeah, so it could be that you are actually competing with actually more people in that particular geographic region. Um, so it's perhaps an opportunity for you to actually review the content of your website and throw in location pages. So for example, one location page for Miami-Dade, one location for Broward, one location page for West Palm Beach or Palm Beach, and then try to dominate the traffic in those particular regions. Because really what you want is that you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. And you do that by targeting those specific keywords, because then a percentage of those customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.